Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn your welcome door lights from halogen bulbs to bright LEDs that shine a cool Toyota logo on the ground, and it could be any logo of your choosing. So on this light, this is the new bulb that we're going to be installing. And on this light, you can see on the back, that's where the power cable goes to, and there's a clip right there. We're going to try to pretty much push this clip into, we're going to push this clip in so that we can pop this out. So putting it against here, it looks like it's going to be on the right side where this clip is. You're going to want to get your trim tool. I'm going to use this trim tool. You can use a screwdriver, a metal one. I don't recommend it because it could damage the light or it could damage the plastic trim on here. So you're gonna take your plastic trim tool and you're just gonna wedge it between the light and the door. You're just gonna push and it'll pop up just like that. All you needed to do was push and this clip gets bent and you're on. There's your light, and now what we can do is there's a little button here where you press. That will allow you to unclip, and you can just pull the light out of the power cable. Now we're going to switch to the brand new light. On the light, there is an adjustment piece on here. It's kind of hard to see. It's this little black knob. You'll be able to see it on the light that you get. This allows you to change the direction of the image. Originally I thought it was a focus point, but it just allows you to be able to adjust your image that is shown on the ground. Shown on the ground. So I'm gonna do it all the way to the middle. And just like how you unplugged it, we're going to plug back in. So the clip that you press down goes to the top here. And just like that. Make sure it clicks in. Looks like mine doesn't click in. Don't know why it did before this video. And so this has two LED lights, one here, and then of course the LED light that shines a picture on the ground. And we're gonna shove the power cable in first. We're gonna line it up so that it's flush with the trim here, and push the clip on the right side in. And it should just snap right into place. Just full warning, this light is not very good for shining images during the night. I don't know if there is any light actually that shines really well in the light. It looks fantastic though in the dark, so just be aware that that might be the case for you. But man, the LED light for the door is way better than the halogen. It just improves the look. Now we are on the driver's side, and we're going to replace this one back to the LEDs as well. So again, on the right side, because these lights are universal, like you can put this light on the passenger side. So make sure that you get piece in, and you just want to push just like that. All you need to do is push. You might need to wiggle, but all you need to do is push in. Unclip it again, press down on the button, pull on it, and we're going to grab the LEDs. Again, I'm going to adjust it. I'm going to adjust it in the middle. So it taps in the middle. Plug it in. I guess these lights don't click in. car cable goes in first, and then make sure it's all lined up, nice and flat on this side. Then push the clip in, and there you go. And now you have installed LED dorsal lights. I should say door lights. So I've had these lights installed in my car for approximately 3 to 4 years. It is one of the first modifications I did to upgrade my look of the vehicle. I absolutely love the LEDs. I do not like the yellow halogen bulbs. It makes the car look older. So this is great. And I wanted the image being shown on the ground. The Toyota, you can see those on a lot of luxury vehicles. So you're able to get this nice luxury vehicles for a pretty good price, and it's super easy to install. I think it's worth the money. Just gotta note that the image quality isn't the best. It is a good image, but it isn't the best compared to the luxury vehicles. But you'll still stand out with your logo being shown on the ground when you open the car at night. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I think it's stellar how the light looks. The LED lights just makes the car look amazing. Looks way newer than it actually looks. This is a 2007, and now it looks like a 2015 vehicle with this. So I like the look of it, and I hope you do too. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.